It might be only a friendly blue bird called a scrub jay, but these students are learning a lot from it and doing their best to make sure it doesn't become extinct.
Probably go on field trips 6 to 8 times a year to different habitats, a chance for them to get out and view Florida's different habitats as we would with any other state, wherever we were. It's an opportunity. They've been introduced to one, and hopefully they'll continue to carry this on and learn more about different species.
We want this bird to be the state bird for Florida, and one of the debates was, you don't see them everywhere. So that's why we make environments like this, hopefully to increase the population of the bird. Therefore, nobody can complain about not having enough anymore.
Certainly puts a name and a face on the things that they're trying to conserve and learn about. It's one thing to look at pictures in a book or even on TV, but it's another thing to go out and actually experience the things firsthand, which is what the students are doing out here.
I didn't know anything about the bird before I started, and then once I got started, I learned so much, but not only about the Florida scrub jay, about my environment, about its environment, about a lot about endangered species, plus we've learned a lot about government. I'm an outdoors person now. I love camping, I love going on hikes, I love doing stuff like this, and this is what started it.
Mr. Cole was the one who really introduced me to the scrub jay and how it was a endangered species and it was an important bird, to our habitat. And I fell in love with these birds, and I try to come out here when I get time to.
Well, I just like going out into a natural state and being able to, communicate with the animals. See them, view them, see how they live. Ever since I started coming out here, it's been something that I've really enjoyed, and I come out a lot.